So I'm thinking that it's deeply frustrating that we can't seem to find answers that make sense. And the thing I'm thinking about at the moment, amongst many things, but the main thing is I'm wondering why humanity exists, and particularly how humanity can exist. Because it seems to me that in order to have a person, a human being, the human being needs to have parents. So then the question obviously is, where did the parents come from? So how could we have a situation where humanity exists when there are no humans to produce humanity? It seems fundamentally impossible for humanity to exist, at least in the way it exists now. So quite obviously, humanity must have come about some other way. So possibly humanity was very different long ago, very far in the past. We were some sort of different organism, and we reproduced in a different way. A human, or rather a pre-human, didn't need to have parents. But the question always arises, of course, where did the first creature come from anyway? However reproduction happened, where did the first creature come from? The first creature couldn't have parents. Where would the first creature get water and food? How could there be light to see? How was the sun created? How was gravity created? Where did oxygen come from? It's very frustrating to have so many questions and such an absence of answers. It seems that on the face of it, life is impossible, at least as life is now. It would seem that there is simply no way that life could exist. Yet we are here. At least we think we're here. I don't think there's ever been a hypothesis that comes anything anywhere close to describing how we could be. It would seem that the only hypothesis we've managed to come up with is the existence of a God. I think that the existence of a God, the concept, is quite facile. It's useful to have an idea of God. It does solve a problem, and it gives something for people to believe in. It creates a solution of sorts. But it does seem facile, it seems useful, and I think it bears no relation to the likely reality. That said, the likely reality is completely unknown. It is deeply frustrating to not have an answer.